The Brave browser. What is it? Does it protect your privacy, and is it worth downloading? In this video, I'm going to go through my impressions with the Brave browser and some of the features it has. On its website, it boasts several noteworthy features. It claims to run 3 times faster than Google Chrome, as well as saving battery life. However, one of the features that interested me is its Tor integration. It claims to have Tor built in to tabs, so you can open a new window with Tor in it, which, if you don't know, is one of the best ways to encrypt your traffic because it uses onion routing. The browser also blocks ads and cookies from websites that are meant to track you. I'm going to go ahead and dive in with my initial impressions of the browser. Upon loading up, it asks you if you want to sync your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords from Google. This is really helpful if you're wanting the convenience that Google Chrome offers as well as the privacy that Brave offers. When you click on a new tab, you're greeted with stats including the amount of trackers and ads blocked as well as the bandwidth and time saved. You can always customize the new tab if you don't want to get bombarded with the stats. A unique element to the browser is Brave Rewards. You can get certain amounts of points from web browsing, and you can give those points to different websites. They'll get a monetary benefit out of your points, so it's a unique way to help creators and websites that you visit. In terms of the Tor feature, I did a quick search in Google, and at the bottom you can see where they think your location is. It said unknown, so it looks like it's working. However, do keep in mind that the loading times are a lot slower when using Tor. Now I'm going to dive into the browser settings it has. One of the great features it has is the social media blocking section. This allows you to control whether you see Google login buttons on third-party sites, Facebook post embeds, and more. The Shield section allows you to block sites from fingerprinting you as well as blocking cookies and scripts. There's also a more in-depth ad blocking feature where you can use specific filters to block ads. Overall, I think this is a great web browser for protecting internet privacy and just providing cool features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.